Brazilian cuisine is vibrant, diverse, and packed with flavor, blending Portuguese, African, and indigenous influences. From sizzling barbecues to comforting stews, Brazil's food culture is one of the richest in the world. Today, we're counting down the top 20 most popular Brazilian dishes, exploring their origins, ingredients, and why they're beloved across the country. Which Brazilian dish is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Let's get started. 20. Pastela, crispy, deep-fried pastry filled with cheese, meat, heart of palm, or even sweet fillings. Sold at street markets across Brazil, it's a must-try snack. 19. Acarajé, Bahian specialty. Acarajé is a deep-fried black-eyed pea dough ball stuffed with vatapá, tomatoes, and onions. It's a dish with strong African roots. 18. Bolinho de bacalhau. These crispy codfish fritters are a Portuguese-influenced favorite, combining salted cod, mashed potatoes, parsley, and spices into delicious golden bites. 17. Mandioca. Frita. Brazilian alternative to French fries, cassava is fried until golden and crispy, often served as a side dish or appetizer. 16. Pão de queijo. A soft, chewy cheese-filled bread roll made with tapioca flour and Minas cheese. It's naturally gluten-free and a favorite at breakfast or as a snack. 15. Farofa, a traditional Brazilian side dish made from toasted cassava flour mixed with butter, bacon, and spices. It's often served with grilled meats or feijoada. 14. Vatapá, creamy dish from Bahia. Vatapá is made with shrimp, coconut milk, peanuts, and bread, blended into a rich, flavorful paste. 13. Moqueca, a slow-cooked seafood stew prepared with fish or shrimp, coconut milk, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and coriander. The Bahian version includes dendê, palm oil, for extra richness. 12. Frango com quiabo. A traditional dish from Minas Gerais, this slow-cooked chicken and okra dish is flavored with garlic, onions, and spices, served over rice. 11. Carne de sol sun-dried, salted beef, popular in northeastern Brazil. It's typically served with cassava, rice, or beans, giving it a rustic, hearty appeal. 10. Baião de dois. A classic dish from the northeast, baião de dois is a mix of rice, beans, dried meat, cheese, and spices, creating a delicious, hearty meal. 9. Caldinho de feijão. A thick, flavorful black bean soup, often served with cachaça, Brazilian sugarcane liquor, as a bar snack or appetizer. 8. Feijão tropeiro. A traditional Minas Gerais dish, feijão tropeiro is a mix of beans, cassava flour, bacon, eggs, and spices, originally eaten by traveling cowboys. 7. Arroz carreteiro. A rustic rice dish cooked with dried meat, onions, garlic, and tomatoes, originating from the southern gaucho culture of Brazil. 6. Bobo de camarão. A Bahian dish made with shrimp, cassava puree, coconut milk, and dendê oil, creating a creamy, flavorful seafood stew. 5. Couscous paulista. Unlike Moroccan couscous, Brazilian couscous is made with cornmeal, layered with vegetables, eggs, and sometimes sardines, forming a colorful molded dish. 4. Churrasco, a staple in Brazilian steakhouses. This grilled meat feast features picanha, sausages, ribs, and more, all cooked over an open flame. 3. Brigadeiro. Brazil's most famous dessert, brigadeiro is a chocolate truffle made from condensed milk, cocoa powder, and butter rolled in chocolate sprinkles. 2. Açaí na tigela. A superfood dish from the Amazon, açaí na tigela is a thick frozen açaí berry puree, often topped with granola, bananas, honey, and guaraná syrup. 1. Feijoada. Brazil's national dish. Feijoada is a slow-cooked black bean stew with pork, beef, and smoked sausages, traditionally served with rice, collard greens, and orange slices. That wraps up our top 20 most popular Brazilian dishes. From rich stews to tropical açaí, Brazil's cuisine is packed with flavor and culture. Which dish is your favorite? Did we miss any must-try Brazilian foods? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next food adventure.